Here we go. Arming. Armed. OSD's back. Launching. I'm always sorry to not get audio off of the O3 unit, and I didn't put a GoPro on it on purpose for today. And the reason I miss it is because you don't get the sound of the motors in flight on the video. And I just think that's a big error on DJI's part. There's so much info you can get from that audio. But when you get that audio off the GoPro, you used to be able to get it off the O2 units, or whatever they call the traditional full air unit before the O3. Again, OSD is perfect. In fact, interesting, I'm just now getting used to the HD, and it's really moved the elements out of the line of sight, which means I actually have to look at them. So I may want to reposition these just a little bit to make them a little more scannable. But wow, that's great. Let's see, I wonder if that net's down. Yeah, that net's full down. Oh, in fact, that net looks like it's almost been new. Too bad. I power looped that goal. And that net's perfect. And that net's perfect. And I know this net's perfect because I'm sitting right here next to it. Well, oh, this is just superb. This is why I like Nazgul so much. And this is why I like FPV so much. This is so much bloody fun. Oh, yeah. Come down, man. Yeah, baby. Okay. That's interesting. I'm getting a couple of indications of warnings because I get the little visual indicator, but I don't know what they're for. They're only intermittent. But it means the OSD is working because I'm seeing them. It may have been, yeah, battery, I think. Oh, yeah. All right, let's try a speed run. '96. And I wasn't at 100% throttle. Wow. That might be the, oh, land now, okay. It's real and happy with the battery. Okay, 3.3. 3.3. Coming into land. Down. Okay, I didn't want to burn out the battery. Wow, that's just great. I am so happy now flying that. Wow, it's super. Okay, I'm gonna go get the quad. She did great. Fantastic. Especially that speed run. 96. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna pack up, head home, and send you video.